Yo, what's up, friends and family? Thank you for tuning in to the iFish Hunt and Cook channel with Chris Bragg. Today is October 26th. Today's November 2nd. Today's November 9th. It's November 16th. It's Saturday morning. It's 5:45 a.m. It's a brisk 23 degrees outside. We're still trying to fill this D16 tag and see if we can put a bullet through a deer. We're going to go check on this little valley that I like hunting. I've heard there's a big one hanging out back here, and we're going to see if we can rendezvous with that big bad boy. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Fuck yeah. November 17th, 7 a.m. Buck down. It's time to go get some help. Get the truck and get this thing out of here. Start some work. So if you don't know this trick, this is the easy way to undress a deer using a rope and a tennis ball.
Easy. Okay, perfect.
When I process the deer, I always make 3 piles. One pile is for jerky meat, one pile is going to be steaks, and the other pile is the ground pile. The rib and neck meat will be used for jerky, and the front legs will go to the ground pile. The back straps, the rear legs, and the tenderloins are all going to the steak pile. It's been really hard to find the Yoshida's teriyaki sauce, but I found it at Costco. I soaked the jerky meat in Yoshida's for 24 hours and then put it in the dehydrator for a couple of hours until I reached the desired consistency. It's a tedious task, but make sure to always cut the sinew skin off of the meat. It'll taste much better. Oh, the new one, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
Look at the burn mark on that.
Professional.
Yeah. Yeah, the Bass Pro points. I bought that with this.
Thank you to everyone who watches, likes, subscribes, and shares this video. It really means a lot to me. When we grind the meat, I like to mix in 10 to 20% pig fat that I get from the local butcher. We run the meat through the grinder twice to get an even consistency. Let me see. You got deer foot? Is that your deer foot?